In 2023, Pancake Day is on the 21st of February, which is a Tuesday. It's a day when people make and eat lots of pancakes with all sorts of toppings. Let's make some animal pancakes. Make or buy some pancakes beforehand, or you can even make some pancakes out of paper. Pancakes have 3 important ingredients: milk, flour, and eggs. Pancakes can be made in any shape: circles, squares, rectangles, and even triangles. Pancake Day is also called Shrove Tuesday. We hope you enjoyed decorating your pancakes. Now, it's time to eat them. See you next time. Goodbye.